Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey, and on this Dodge Journey we're going to go over how you would replace your high mount brake light. This is you've got your two brake lights that are on the side, and then you have the high mount one that's in the middle at the top, and we're going to go over how you replace that. So we have two T20 bolts, one on each side, that hold this in. They're pretty long. And then once you get those out, this may be stuck up here a little bit more because of the weather stripping, and over time it'll adhere to here. And so you may need to kind of pry down a little bit and pop it down. But once it's free, you'll be able to just undo this one electric connector and get the whole unit. This is all LED inside here, so you just need to get a whole new unit here, and then you'll take your new unit, connect the electric connector back up, and then be able to set it in there. Tighten these two T20 screws up, and that's how you would replace your high mount brake light on your 2016 Dodge Journey. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.